Hello, welcome back to another video of C#. In this video, we'll discuss about anonymous method. First, we'll understand about what is anonymous method, when to use anonymous method, syntax of anonymous method. Then we'll show you example of an anonymous method, and I'll show you the code as well, and I'll explain. So without wasting time, let's start understanding what is anonymous method first. Okay, in C#, anonymous method provide a way to create inline methods without explicitly naming them. It means that anonymous method don't have any name, so that's why it's called anonymous. Okay, and they were introduced in C# 2.0 version, and they serve a way to implement delegate. Okay, so if you don't know about delegate, we have discussed about delegate in detail. You can see those videos. Are for your reference purpose. If you don't know about the delegate, so let me give you some background of delegate. A delegate in C# is a way or a type that represents the reference of a method with a particular parameter list and return type. Delegate are used to pass method as arguments to other method and can be used to define the callback method, and they are similar to the function pointer in C and C++, but a safe type and secure. Okay, so this is all about the delegate. If you want to know more details about delegate, you can see those videos. Okay, so anonymous method serve a way to implement the delegate, and anonymous methods are closely related to the lambda expression, as both offer a way to create the short and unnamed methods. So they are kind of similar. Anonymous method and the lambda expression are similar. Okay, and both are way to create the short and unnamed method. So however, the anonymous method having the slightly different syntax compared to lambda expression. So this is all about the anonymous method. Now we will discuss about the syntax of the anonymous method. So here is the basic syntax. As you can see, we have to use the delegate keyword, and after that, if we are passing any kind of parameter, then we can use the parameter list over here, and then we have to use the two bracket, as you can see, and then inside this two bracket we have to write our code. So if we'll simplify it, here is the basic form. We have to specify the delegate and then parameter, and inside this two bracket we have to write the code. And as you can see that here is the semicolon is there. It means it's the implementation of a particular delegate, right? Now let me discuss about when to use the anonymous methods. In case of event handling, when you need to attach a simple piece of code to an event handler, then you can use this particular anonymous method. For delegate invocation, when you need to short simple method to pass to a delegate and don't want to define a separate method, then you can use anonymous method. As well as for quick prototyping, when you are writing quick and temporary logic that won't be reused, so that time you can use the anonymous method. Now I'll show you the code and explain that how you can use the delegate keyword to create an anonymous method. As you can see over here that to create an anonymous method, we need a delegate keyword over here. So for that, first we have to define a delegate. So as you can see in this line number 11, what we have done here, we have defined a print delegate, and it is taking one parameter which is of type string, right? And delegate keyword is there. Also this one is a public delegate, and it's returning void. That means nothing. So one delegate can return different types of values, as well as it can take no parameter, as well as it can take more than one parameter. So in our case, we are taking only one parameter and it's returning nothing. That means it's returning void. Okay, so how you can use that? So it means delegate means it can take the method definition, right? It can hold the reference of a method. So anonymous method also a method. So as you can see that we are assigning an anonymous method to a delegate. So in this case, as you can see over here, this part is nothing, but we are defining an anonymous method which is having no name. So for that, you can see delegate keyword you have to give, and then whatever the parameter you want to pass it, you can pass that one like this way, and then you have to write some message over here, and we are printing this particular message in this our write.console. okay, now as you can see over here, we are storing this particular method in a delegate. The name of the delegate is the print over here. So print delegate, print, it means it's a type of variable which is actually print delegate. So this one is nothing but a delegate type of variable. So we are storing this particular anonymous method to this print variable. okay, now how can we call this? By using the print variable we can call our anonymous method, right, by sending some parameters. So in our case it will be a message. okay, so in this particular line number 21, we are passing a particular string value to our delegate itself, and delegate will execute this particular anonymous method itself because it's having the reference. So that's why it can execute, right? So the name can be different as well. You can give any name over here. So for example, I'll show you before. So first let me execute this particular code. First I have to build this code and then I can run it, right? So as you can see that it will produce the result hello from an anonymous method. okay, so you can change as well, print array, but you have to remember that you have to use this particular variable when you are trying to call that particular delegate. okay, and now I have to again build this code and then I can execute it, right? By clicking over here I can execute. So this is how you can use the delegate. So thanks for watching these videos. If you have any question regarding this, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.